Holiday gifting. I use Oars and Alps products daily and my brother loves to borrow mine, so we're gonna get him his own. This is the Oars and Alps Ultimate Oarsman Kit. Let's unbox it and get his ready. We're gonna start by packing the kit in their premium travel bag, which is water resistant and it holds a ton of stuff. This is their charcoal solid face wash. This is great for exfoliating and clearing out all the gunk out of your pores. This is a great moisturizer, even for someone with dry skin. Love that this is fragrance free. Possibly one of the best products I've ever used. I could be running on 2 hours of sleep and this is gonna make me look like I'm well rested. I didn't think natural deodorant was for me until I tried this product. I can survive a southern summer with this and not stink. It also leaves no marks or stains on my clothes, which for me is a big win. Lastly, their lip balm. It's shine free, it's not gonna look like you're wearing lip gloss, and it's actually gonna keep your lips hydrated and you don't have to use it a million times during the day. Oars and Alps Black Friday sale is going on now. Go to their website for 20% off site-wide, tons of free gifts, and free shipping. Use code BF2023 for free shipping and tiered gift levels with up to $66 in free gifts. Cheers to sales and smelling good.